Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Before we begin, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment below telling us which moment shocked you the most. Your support helps us bring you more incredible real-life moments every week. Today's video is more than just shocking winter crashes and terrifying blizzard moments, it's a reminder of how dangerous icy roads can become within seconds. From speeding on frozen highways to sudden braking on black ice, these real moments show how quickly drivers can lose control during severe winter storms. Stay alert, drive carefully, and always respect the power of winter weather, because one small mistake on ice can change everything. Winter roads can turn deadly in seconds when blizzards reduce visibility and cover the asphalt with invisible black ice. Many drivers underestimate how quickly a normal highway can become completely uncontrollable. In this video, you'll witness terrifying moments where even experienced drivers lost control instantly. These real situations remind us why slowing down during snowstorms can save lives. Blizzard conditions create a dangerous mix of strong winds, freezing temperatures, and slippery roads. When tires lose traction on ice, even small steering movements can lead to disaster. Many crashes happen because drivers panic and brake too hard on frozen surfaces. Learning how to stay calm behind the wheel is one of the most important winter driving skills. Black ice is one of the biggest hidden dangers during winter storms because it is almost invisible. Drivers often realize the road is frozen only after their vehicle begins sliding uncontrollably. Keeping a safe distance from other cars gives more time to react during emergencies. Winter safety starts with patience, awareness, and proper preparation before every trip. Snow-covered highways may look beautiful, but they can become deadly traps within moments. Heavy snowfall reduces tire grip and makes it difficult to control speed while turning. Many accidents happen because people drive too fast for the weather conditions. Reducing speed during storms is one of the easiest ways to avoid losing control. During severe blizzards, visibility can drop so low that drivers cannot see cars ahead of them. This creates chain reaction crashes where multiple vehicles collide within seconds. Using headlights properly can help others see your vehicle sooner in dangerous weather. Simple precautions often make the difference between safety and catastrophe. Large trucks and SUVs can also lose control on icy roads despite their size and power. Many people believe heavier vehicles are safer during snowstorms, but ice affects everyone. Winter tires provide better traction and greatly improve stopping ability on frozen roads. Preparation before the storm is just as important as careful driving during it. One sudden movement on black ice can send a vehicle spinning across multiple lanes. Overcorrecting the steering wheel is a common mistake that makes slides even worse. Professional winter drivers recommend smooth and gentle control of the vehicle at all times. Staying calm can help drivers regain traction and avoid serious accidents.